boys and girls. Okay, so in math today, we are talking about shapes. And the shapes have different categories, and we're going to be using the shapes that you got on Friday in your little bag that I gave you, all these shapes, remember? Okay, you're going to be using those today. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So let's talk about the vocabulary. We have the word curved. Curved. Remember we've talked about that before? The opposite of curved is straight. And I drew a straight line, just like this, straight. Can you show me straight with your hand? Good. Now show me curved. Good. Okay. Now long. Long means it extends. It's long. Short. The opposite of long is short, like a pinky. That's short. Short, long. Okay. Wide. Like far apart. The things like the sides are far apart. They're wide. Narrow. Close together. Close together. Okay? So we're going to go through some of the shapes, and I'm going to talk about, and you're going to help me figure out how we could put these into groups, because you're going to sort them different ways. Okay, so you're going to sort them curved and straight, long and short, and then wide and narrow. So you're going to practice sorting them different times. Okay, so let's start with this one. Do you have the shape? Okay, so is it curved or straight? It's curved. Good job. Now, is it long or short? Doesn't really have long or short to it, does it? No. Now, is it wide or narrow? Now, we could figure that out. Is it wide or is it narrow? It's wide. Good job. It has more space in the middle. Okay, good. Okay, next one. This one. Oh, we forgot to say what shape this was. What is it? Circle. Good. What about this one? What is it? Rectangle. Part of what we're doing, families, is that we're learning that we can turn shapes and the shapes remain the same. Okay, so that's part of what we're doing also. Okay, so is a rectangle, this rectangle, is it curved or straight? It's straight. Good. Is it long or short? Well, it has two long sides and it has two short sides. But when you look at it, does it look like a long shape or a short shape? It looks like a long one. Good. Now, is it wide or narrow? I would say more narrow, yeah, because it doesn't go with a whole bunch of space in the middle. If we hold it up to the circle that we just had, look how much space is left over in the circle when we hold this up in front of it. Yeah, so the circle is definitely wide. This would be narrow. Yeah. Okay. What about this? What's this? Triangle. Good. Does it have curved or straight lines? Straight. Good. Does it have long or short lines? Short. That's very short lines. Yeah, because it's a small little triangle. So is it wide or narrow? That's kind of a funny one. I can keep turning this. It has parts here that are kind of wide. Here and here. It kind of goes open, doesn't it? Yeah. That's kind of a tricky one. We'll have to come back to that one. What about this? What shape is this? A square. Good. Now, would you say it has curved or straight lines? Straight. Good. Is it long or short? Well, is it as long as the rectangle? No, not as long as the rectangle. Not as short as the little triangle. So it's kind of in between, isn't it? Yeah. Would you say it's wide or narrow? Is it narrow like the rectangle? No. So I would say it's wide. Okay. Oh, wow. Remember this shape? Talked about this a week or two ago. Okay. Does it have curved or straight lines? Do you remember? Curved or straight? Straight. Good. Long or short? Wide or narrow? This is more wide. It goes open. Yeah, very good. See, we could take it like this. This has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. You remember what it's called? I'm going to see if you remember. Let's see. Oh, I'm trying to get something different. Here's something. What about this? You remember? Good. Okay. Now, is it curved or straight? Curved. Is it long or short? Definitely long. Is it wide or narrow? It looks more narrow, doesn't it? Yeah, narrow. Okay, so you're going to go through all your shapes and you're going to sort them. Now, first, you're just going to use two categories at a time, families, and sort them all into curved or straight. And then put them back together and then sort them into long or short. Long or short. Put them back together and then sort them into wide or narrow. Okay? Yeah. Now remember, these shapes we're using over and over, so make sure your hands are clean. There's nothing wet. No food or drink around them, okay? Because they're just out of construction paper, so they will get all yucky, okay? Okay. And before we go, let's do a little counting real quick, okay? Because remember, we have to practice counting every day 3 times to 20. So let's do it. Here we go. Let's use mommy voice. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job. Now use a Papa Bear voice. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, good job, guys. I hope you counted with me. And families, remember to hold up a number and see if they can tell you the number. Identification of numbers is super important, and I'm going to be testing that this week. Okay, so be sure and hold up numbers. I'm going to hold up some right now. Are you ready? Here we go. What's this number? Good, 20. Oh, they're not mixed up, are they? Well, that's okay. What is this number? 15, good. What is this number? 19, good. What is this number? 17, good. Let's see. What is this number? 0, good. What is 4, good. What is this number? 18, good. What is this number? Good, 5. Trying to mix these up a little more. There we go. What's this number? Good, 2. What's this number? 3, good. Okay. What is this number? 1, good. What's this number? 6, good. Okay, that's all the numbers I'm going to do because then mine start repeating. Yes, I think I'm taking my other numbers to school with me. So, okay. Well, that gives a little quick review on number identification, but hopefully you can pull out your numbers and your families and you can play a memory game. If you have 2 sets of numbers and just do a few at a time, like the numbers 1 through 5 or 1 through 10, so you don't have too many out at one time to play the memory game, okay? And then you want to make sure you get all the way up to 20 because we got to practice identifying numbers up to 20, guys, okay? So, okay, practice counting, practice doing what? Practice counting to 20 3 times today. Practice identifying your numbers where someone holds it up or you play the memory game so you can say what number it is. And then you're doing your shape activity, okay? So make a little video or picture of you playing your shape activity and send it to me. Okay? Great. Okay. Make it a great day. And I'm so proud of you. Y'all are doing such a good job. You really are. Keep it up, guys. Bye.